Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Vishal.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, ma'am.
Awesome. So it's 12 p.m. already. So were you able to complete all the tasks that you thought you have to complete by this time?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. What all did you do since morning? What important tasks have you ticked off from your list?
Today I have working day, so right now it's lunch time. I had my lunch.
Okay. What did you have?
Yeah. It's a mixed vegetable and with the four chapatis and with curd.
With curd.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. That's nice. Awesome. So is the weather very hot there, or has it started raining, or is it cold? What is it like?
Today is normal weather, ma'am. Yesterday it was drizzling here, and from last some days it was raining here. But today is normal day. Weather is clean.
Okay, okay. Normal means what? Like, uh, the
It's
normal.
not too much
What
hot.
is it? It is not too
It's
hot.
not too much hot. It's not too hot, and it's not raining. It's not drizzling.
Okay, so you can say
It's
we
a
have
sunny
a
day.
clear sky. Yeah, and it's pleasant. Right? Clear skies means it's not raining. Right? The sky is clear and it's pleasant. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And how is the weather there?
I think I'll have to copy your answer. It's exactly the way you mentioned. There are no dark clouds. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. There's a slight breeze going on, so it's very pleasant weather.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. So, how are your sessions going with English Shari? I hope you've been learning a lot of things.
Right, ma'am. It's going in a great way.
Fantastic. Very happy to hear that. So, what are your goals now for the next 6 months in the year? We will be closing with 2024 very soon. So, what are your year-end goals?
I want to be fluent in this language. I have 6 months remaining. So upcoming 6 months, I will give to this language honestly.
All 6 months you're going to give just for this language?
No, not for just I go to the gym, so I spend time there for my physical health. I also have goal that upcoming 6 months I will give to my physical health.
Okay, that's fantastic. So amazing. It's a if you're passionate about exercising and workout, then it's easy to go to the gym. But if a person is a little lazy, then going to the gym requires so much motivation. You have to like be motivated from the previous night itself, right?
Right, ma'am. But I want to go there. I am passionate. So I
Okay. Your video got paused. I think there's some network issue.
I got a phone call, but it was no. Right now it's okay.
Okay. Okay. Um. All right, it's fine now. Yes. So, do you have a different workout routine for different days, or do you pretty much do the same thing every day
No,
at the gym?
no, ma'am. Every day I do separate workout. One day for chest and tries, second day for biceps and back, and another for shoulders. Some day, one day for leg. So one day mix. So every day it's very
Hmm. It's very diverse.
okay.
Yeah, diverse means you do different things different areas. It's a very diverse routine.
Okay. But ma'am, I used very VARY.
So no, you didn't finish your sentence. You said so. It's and you left it, or maybe it's the network issue
Okay.
cut your answer, so you can't leave unfinished it, right? So you used very earlier, I use diverse now, so simple. Okay, cool.
Okay.
So do you like practicing with a trainer, or you're capable of doing most of the things on your own?
Okay. 3 days I take session. What are you asking? You about this application or gym?
No, at the gym, do you have a personal trainer, or can you
No,
manage on your own?
okay, no, I can't manage it with my own. But the here are common trainer, so I take help from him. I don't have personal trainer. So, and in gym, everyone is supportive. If you want help from any person, so everyone told you that this exercise we can do in this way, that way.
Oh wow, amazing! I think your gym is one of the best. Where can I find such a gym? So it's very tough in our gym in the society. Forget about a personal trainer. There's no one. There's just a lot of equipments, no trainer, nothing. So if you already have prior knowledge, you can come and work out. If you don't have prior knowledge, then the same thing: treadmill, cycle, elliptical. Only these three things you can do. So it's like
No,
that.
but here is totally opposite situation.
Good. That's nice. Good for you. Okay. And yeah, perfect. I think we can get started with today's session topic, which is a very, very important one. It's something related to money, credit cards, debit cards. So let's talk a little on this, shall we?
Yes, ma'am. I read it thoroughly.
Wow, thoroughly. So why don't you tell me what you've read first?
Okay. I read the advantage and disadvantage of credit card.
Mm-hmm.
And topics headline was a blessing in disguise. It's a
Mm-hmm.
idiom some months ago I read it.
Okay, nice.
So
Awesome.
credit cards are good for us. In some cases, it's a good for us. In some time, it's been if you don't pay your EMI on time, if you don't submit your money on time. So it's in this case, it's gain because the penalty is so much high and they charge heavily interest. So in every time, every month it multiply. So it's a circle of debt.
Yes,
So
it's circular.
if you are disciplined, so you can take credit card. You have a lot of advantage. You can book. You can take anything like shopping and you can take book. You can purchase mobile. Here are many things you can do with credit card. And if you don't have money, so you can take help from credit card. So in this situation, it's bad. It's very good.
Okay, 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 okay. Yeah. So I really liked the fact that you kind of summed it up, the everything that you've read. Pretty good. So you personally, do you rely more on your debit card, your credit card, or do you just do the online UPI transaction? So how do you pay for most things that you purchase?
Okay. I prefer my debit card, not credit card.
Mhm.
I use my debit card. I don't use credit card.
Okay. Any particular reason why you avoid using your credit card and rely mostly on the debit part?
Ma'am, things we can see, it's affect our brain. Like if every day I install Visio and I watch some close picture, so definitely within 10 days I will order something. And it's
Yeah.
unnecessary. Whenever I need something, so I go to shop and purchase. But in some time, like in mobile, they are not available. So that times you can do, it's online better that time. In special case, online mode is better. But I prefer to shop offline.
Offline. Yeah, I think shopping offline, as you mentioned, there's a lot of chance for you to exercise self control. If you try to do everything online, then it can become a little out of hand. You can become a bit reckless with the spendings. But if you rely mostly on offline shopping, the idea of going out to shop itself will pull you back. It'll be like, okay, you don't need it, stay at home, right? So it'll motivate you like that. Okay, great. So I'll
Right,
give you a
ma'am.
small situation. It's like an activity. Imagine that you get a call from your bank, okay, and they tell you that your debit card has been blocked because there was some fishy activity going on, right? And in order to unblock it, you have to give your CVV and an OTP. Okay, your CVV and OTP. So what will you do?
I don't give my OTP and CC because it's a common thing. Bankers never ask any person that to tell me OTP. It's never happened. It's so impossible. And in even the debit cards backside on cover, you can find that we never call or
Mm-hmm.
don't give your OTP to anyone in any condition.
So if a customer is receiving such a call, so if it's not from the bank, who else is it from? This call.
Ma'am, here are many scammers. They do every day. It's a cyber crime. It's part of cyber crime, and it's a fraud, totally fraud.
Hmm. There is a show on Netflix called Jam Tada. Have you watched it?
I listened this web series summary. It's based on a village in Jharkhand, Jamtara. There is a normal village, and they are masters in cyber crime.
Okay, okay, yes, of course. So you can watch it. I think two seasons are out. There was a very long gap between season one and season two, so I forgot. I didn't watch season two yet. So I think you can watch it. It's very interesting. They show you the whole process of how these things work. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am. I I listened this web series review.
you've heard of it. Okay, great, awesome.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So, what is the meaning of boon and bane? Are they two different words? Are they two similar words? What does it mean, boon and bane?
Ma'am, they are completely opposite word.
Mm-hmm.
Boon means in positive way. I know Hindi word meaning. So can I use Hindi?
Yeah, for the translation you can use. What do you call boon in Hindi?
Vardhan.
Very good. Like a blessing, we can say in English.
Okay, just blessing.
Yes.
And
And bane
Ben,
means
Abhishap, curse.
curse. Very good. Very good. Right. Fantastic. So, do you feel? See, earlier all transactions were just via cash, right? At least in my childhood, these online modes of transaction were not there at all. Everything was in notes or coins, right? That's it.
Right,
But now
ma'am.
we have so
Right.
many different modes of transactions. You have UPI, you have debit cards, credit cards,
Right, right.
cryptocurrency, this and that, and so many different things. So, do you feel the digital modes of payments are a boon or a bane, in your opinion?
Ma'am, it's boon.
Mm-hmm.
It can save our time and it's more safe and secure. Like if you are going, if you have cash in your bag or in your wallet, 5 lakh, 10 lakhs. So every time you are worried that what will happen if anything mishappened. So, but in your bank account, in your phone pay, Google Pay, you have 10 lakh, 20 lakhs, 1 crore, doesn't matter. All money are safe.
Hmm.
And if you have some debt, you want to give this money to another person, so you can send in into some seconds. Within some seconds, you can send money. You can
Hmm.
receive money.
Hmm. Yes, yes, absolutely. So, when the ATM cards were introduced, we thought that is like the heights of convenience. We thought, wow, life is so going to be so easy now, right? But with digital payment, I think it's become 10 times more easier. You don't even have to go to an ATM machine and withdraw your money or stuff like that. You can just directly scan and pay, right? So, even I agree with you, it is a boon. But you say it's a boon, I say it's a boon. There are a lot of elderly people in the society, or even people who are like more than say 55, 60 years old, who get very irritated when they've been asked to do an online payment. Why do they have such negative feelings towards digital payments?
Then they have their strong mentality. They have belief that they know each and everything, but they are not right. And it's our duty to improve ourselves by the time. It's
Yeah,
demand of
raise
today,
awareness.
and they are happy with their keypad phone. They think that it's better. Touch phone is not good. But
Mhm.
how can it's impossible? How can it possible?
How is it possible?
How is it possible?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. So I think it's most of practice. Like even my parents before COVID, I tried so hard to make them install Google Pay, Phone Pay. They didn't agree. But in COVID, you couldn't go to the bank, so they started. Now COVID period is done. But even now, for withdrawing money and stuff, they go to the bank. They have an ATM card, they have everything, but still they go to the bank. They write that withdrawal slip, they get the cash. So they're like, they say it feels safe, and they feel like these digital modes of payment can get hacked. So they're very scared of this hacking part.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that
They are
happens.
frightened.
Hmm.
They think that it's not good.
It's
They feel
not good.
insecurity.
Yes, they feel like the traditional method of paying in cash and all, it's a lot safer. Right. So yeah, true. Great. Do you know any city or any town where they don't really accept Google Pay, GPay, sorry, Phone Pay and stuff? Have you ever been in any town like that so far?
Ma'am, sometimes particular shop will do this thing. Recently, I have visited Ambala. So there we ate something, and for payment, I use my mobile. So that time he denied that we don't take payment take payments through online mode.
Hmm.
You have to pay only cash. So I paid cash.
Oh, they completely refused. Was it the same in a majority of the stores or just one or two specific ones?
It's one or two. It's one or two.
Okay. Okay, okay, okay.
Exception is always everywhere.
Yeah, absolutely. Exceptions are always there. And I have a cousin who had the hobby of collecting old coins, So he had a big book where he used to collect coins of different times, different eras, even the old Indian coins. So have you ever had fascination with the currencies of the world or the currency evolution of India itself? Have you ever been fascinated?
Never, ma'am. Never.
Never?
Never.
Okay, cool. So yeah, I think those were my questions. Pretty good. Even the activity part where I asked you the call part, I think you are very well informed and you explained things pretty well. One advice I would like to give you is before you begin your answer, take a deep breath, take some time to think. Even if it's 5 seconds, it's 5 seconds, and then answer, because this calmness will help you come up with better vocabulary. It's that you know the words, but because you answer so fast, you don't give yourself time to think, right? So I feel like your answers can be better with topic specific vocabulary. Topic specific. For example, advanced word doesn't mean all hi-fi words that people don't understand. No, that's not it. When we were answering
Right,
that
right.
scammer part, I asked you what are those people called. You said they're scammers because I was expecting it in your original answer. So banks never call you, scammers do. So this would be the correct one. Banks never ask for your CVV, scammers do, right? And there are some words, your account can get hacked, right? Your account can get blocked. The scammers can get access to your account. So words like hacking, accessing, scamming, these are not big words, but these are topic specific words which will elevate the quality of your answers. So for that, be calm when you're answering. Between one sentence and another sentence, give a small pause, at least for a second or 2 seconds. Speak calmly. That's all. Okay? That's it.
I'll try, ma'am. Right now, you can ask me, and I will try to implement this thing right now.
Sure. Let me ask you a very like a question where you can get an opportunity to answer with topic specific words. Okay. So, all right. If I tell you, give me 3 steps. Okay. Give me 3 steps with which every adult should know for better money management. Like 3 steps with which they can manage their money a lot better.
They can start reading. They can read. Here are some. books, they provide financial education.
Hmm.
So they like rich dad poor dad, they can start this book.
Hmm.
And money is important in every field, in every for study, for hospitality, for home, for car,
Hmm.
everywhere we need money. So its importance everyone know, and even children also know the importance of money.
Okay, that's the first step. Second one is reading books on financial education. Great. You can give me one more. That's
Right.
it. Yeah.
Okay. And they can start investing through SIP in sometime, maybe in bank or maybe in a Demat account.
Hmm.
They
Go
can
on.
save their pocket money and save at least 5%, 10% every month. So it doesn't matter if it's in hundred or thousands, but it's a habit of saving money and it's compounding. If in future they will see compounding effect and everyone happy. Like 1 year ago, if you invest 1,000, right now it's three. So everyone is happy. Everyone will be happy.
Yes. Everyone will be happy. That's great. Fantastic. See, within 2 points, you used words like books on financial education, right? Fidelity, compounding effect, saving up. So these are topic specific words which make your answers a lot more intelligent to listen to, right? So wonderful, great, good job. Okay, so I think this is
Thank
also
you.
much better for you. You will not feel very exhausted. You're relaxed when you're speaking. Yeah,
I'll try. Ma'am.
very good, very good. You're a quick learner, good implementation. Okay, so this is with respect to the presentation and the pausing. Okay, now um, there's a difference between I listened and I heard. Okay, मैंने इस चीज के बारे में सुना है.
Okay,
Like you're
okay.
talking
Ma'am,
about.
I got it.
Okay.
I told you about difference. Listen means listening carefully. Like I am listening you, I am not hearing you. But in my states, here is some vendors moving here to there. Children are playing, so I am hearing. I hear sound.
Mm.
So without intention and don't carefully, we listen. We it's a hear. But when we like listen any person carefully, so it's listening.
Yeah, मैंने इस चीज के बारे में सुना है. You'll say I've heard of this before. Okay, not I've listened to this. If you're talking about a song, like मैंने ये गाना सुना है पहले. I've listened to this before. Because you आपने मतलब ध्यान दे के पूरा गाना सुना है ना, तो I've listened. But if it's like news that you're getting from here and there, some different sources, I've heard of it. Right? सुना है इधर उधर से. So that's the first thing. Okay. Second, it's a question. It's a multiple choice question. Tell me which one is right. Everyone know
Okay.
about this or everyone knows about this?
Everyone knows about this.
Can you come again? Everyone?
Knows about this.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Today is normal weather, or today we are experiencing a pleasant weather.
First one is right.
No, today is normal weather wouldn't be appropriate. It's a very crude
Okay.
sentence basically. You can't say today is normal weather, today is raining. You can say today uh, it's raining. You can say, okay,
Okay.
today
We
it's.
need subject. It like it is the subject.
Yes, you need it here, right? Today, it's a normal weather. Today, we have a sunny day. Today, it seems very cloudy. Okay, so direct is nahi hota. It is today, it is, and then you can get it. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. We need subject.
Yes, that's about it. Got it? Yeah, nothing else. So this was related to the small grammar parts that you can pay attention to, and the presentation we've already discussed. If you have any questions, any doubts, you can let me know.
Okay, ma'am, what is the correct pronunciation of education word? Sometimes celebrities use education, and I searched on YouTube. Some person are saying both are correct. So what is
To
the
be
correct
very honest,
pronunciation?
it's a very good question that you asked. There are so many celebrities these days. The word often, they pronounce it as often. Schedule, they pronounce it as schedule. Education, they call it
School.
education. Uh, it's a very new thing, to be honest. In my school, from class 1 to class 7, I studied in a convent. I have been taught to call it education, and I will continue to call it education. I don't know, this education sounds very different to me, right? So I think
Yes,
you
this
can,
is the reason I said.
yeah,
I listened to Akshay Kumar's speech, and there are many actors, many famous
yeah.
celebrity. They are
Yeah.
politicians. They use education word. So these
Edu-
things confuse me.
yes, yes. It's a very urban way of speaking, if I can say. There has been a shift in the pronunciation, probably because of native speakers. Maybe people in the UK, US started speaking like that, and the world is catching up, probably. But the traditional pronunciation is education only, right? This education, recently, believe it or not, I was watching an interview of a celebrity, and she said, "That's a very interesting question." I'm like, what's a question? It's a question, right? What's a
Right.
question? So I was amused, but I just call it a question only. So you can stick to education question. It's fine.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, that's it. So I feel like in every decade, new words are added, new pronunciations take place, which is very, I think, unique. I've not seen this happening with any other language. Like अगर आप हिंदी की बात करो तो अभी आप किसी चीज को सेब बोल रहे हो, कल प्रोनाउंसिएशन तो बदल नहीं जाएगा. I don't know, it happens in English
No,
very often. It's strange. Okay.
right, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. So yeah, anything else?
No, ma'am. It's enough for today.
Okay, perfect. Wonderful. So it was awesome talking to you again. I hope to see you again next week. And until then, take care. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Have a good day.
Bye bye.